What's up, guys? It's John with Upstate Brush Control here on a little road project. So this is not a very busy road. We're right up here. This is Highway 85 in Greer, Welford area. And so what we got is there's a big building here in the back, and we are hired to take out all these trees along this side, and then it's about 10-12 feet over. Same thing on that side. All the trees, everything is coming out. So they're going to widen the road and add a turn lane in so big trucks can get down here to this big old warehouse that's being built. So today is Saturday. I got a buddy of mine who's coming in with 2 crews, and they have a big chipper. They got the whole setup. So what they're going to do is they're going to chip everything and blow it into a trailer and then haul it all off. So I'm just going through here today and getting out. They're going to be here Monday, so I'm getting out a bunch of this little stuff, this little brush and scrub, just so it'll be a lot easier for them. I'm just trying to make it so as efficient as possible for those guys. I've got a water leak here. You can see it boiling right out of the ground right there. This thing's been running for a couple weeks. I meant to tell the guys last time I was here I saw that. You can see right where a truck backed up, something there, but was not us. So like this big water oak, that's coming out. There's a stake somewhere. Let's see if I can't find it. There's one right over here by this tree. So that's the, we can't go past that as far as disturbance. So this is gonna be like the top of their ditch, so a lot of these stumps can stay. You know, they're just moving that ditch over this way. So some of these are gonna have to be pulled out. I'm not sure which ones. There's a couple of them that they said they would get out, or I think there was 10 or 12 that they had counted. And there is cable down through there. Cable, fiber optic, and on this side is gas. So all kinds of fun stuff. Yay. So I'm going to go through, get this little underbrush out, and I really don't want to try to mulch as much as I can in there. Typically, you know, we just lay it up there across the back, but I think what I'm going to do, since this goes up this way, you know, the guys that are doing the grading and all that kind of stuff, they're going to be fighting that mulch, and we're not supposed to do a bunch of mulching. So one of the things I'm going to do is over here on this downward side of our little right-of-way area, I'm going to do some mulching over there. I don't think we're going to get in trouble with that. I think it'll be all right. If not, I'll scrape it all together and then haul it off. It's no big deal. But just trying to make it easier for the guys coming in Monday. They're going to be here probably 3 days. They are going to be possibly doing some stump grinding as well. I don't know. It's a combination of pulling stumps and digging stumps and grinding stumps. So we really don't know till they come out here and start giving us some marks and all that kind of stuff. But I think there was 10 to 12. But like these big old oaks are coming out, all these are coming out, and they got the setup. They got you name it, he's got it. Bucket truck, chip truck, humongous chipper, I think 300 something horsepower chipper. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. I've done one other job. I've known this guy for quite a long time, and we did a job up in Gaffney coming up on a month ago now, so that went really well. And then we got another job through the same company. So just seeing how it's just me. I'm going to, you know, I don't have my crew anymore. They have moved on. They have pursued other options, and even then, this would have been probably I'd have had to hire out someone else even when I did have my full crew. But that being said, yeah, just hire when needed and stuff like that, and it's going great. So I'll get to it, start cleaning up some of this mess, and then hopefully we'll get something done here today. All right, guys, just give everybody a little update here, kind of what's going on and where I'm at with this. So this side over here, I went through and limbed and trimmed and ran the mulcher down at one side. Didn't get too crazy just because I didn't want to accumulate a lot of mulch up on that hill going this way. So my plan was to kind of grapple everything over here and then bring it over here and mulch it. And I was like, well, I don't know if I really need to spend the time to mulch it, because this guy's got this huge chipper he's gonna bring in. And the last job, we laid a lot of material, you know, all the butts facing this or one direction. So I faced everything this direction and kind of went through and cleaned out a little spot right there and just started laying that material down. I was like, well, he'll just pull his chipper and loader right here and he'll be able to load that sucker out of there. So that was kind of my thought, just kind of do a big pile right there. He can park it and do his thing. So what I'm going to do over here is just keep going with the pole saw, trimming this stuff and just getting it ready. That's really the whole point of this, is making it so they can do their thing. They'll get in, do all the dropping. If they need to get up, there is a power line on the back side of this. You can see there's a pole right there. There's a pole here. So they need to, my goal is let them do their thing. So I'll get in, get anything I can, get it out of the way for them, just make it easy for them is my goal. So if something comes along that I can get out of their way, make it easier for them, it's coming out, I'll limb and trim and get the brush out so they're not having to waste time with their saws and stuff. Because not gonna lie, this guy's, I mean, it's a lot of money for them to be able to come out and help, but it's totally worth it. And you know, it would take me forever, obviously. So I'm gonna go through here and start pole sawing some of this stuff out. I think that it might be a black oak, black walnut, or a pecan tree. I think that might be staying. I think that one's staying. I need to find the flags. There's a flag right there. Let's see here. It's all wisteria and just junk. Yeah, these are staying. So we just gotta clean these edges up and everything and get it tidied up and stuff the best we can. So yeah, it's going really good. It's supposed to be really hot, but this is nice and shade for now. But you know, I'm kind of about to here, and then I got to get to there, so that shouldn't be too hard at all. I don't know what all this stuff is. You know, these little, it's like backer for tile or something. People just throw stuff. I don't get that. Why do people do that? I don't get it. Find a dumpster, find a trash can, take it to the dump, whatever. All right, I'm gonna start pole sawing some of this stuff out of here. right, guys, I'm wrapping up for the day. It's about 4 something, and I got pretty much all the underbrush done. A couple of trees down there I didn't get, and then these couple ones right here, but that won't take me but a few minutes. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you back out on this job.